Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can add students to your Google Classroom. So let's start our video. As you can see, I open Google Classroom on my device. Now choose the class that you want to add a student to. Once you open the class, here all you need to do is to tap on the setting gear icon. If you go scroll a bit, you will find the code right here. So all you need to do is to give this code to the students and they can use this code to join the classroom. The next thing that you could do is to tap on the people right here, and here you will find the student. All you need to do is to tap on the plus sign. You can copy this link and send it to them using other application, or if you tap on share option, so here this window will pop up. You can copy the URL link from here, or you can send it to the people on other applications, or you can choose the application and send it to them as well. So guys, this is how you can add students to your Google Classroom. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.